Hello, dear my students. How are you today? I'm glad to see you. Welcome my our distance learning. My name is Tortaqim Balnur Maratqızı. I'm from Almaty district, Raimbek region, Sarjaz village. I'm an English teacher, Sarjaz Vocational Technical College. Group 35. The theme of the lesson, the problem of environmental. Learning objectives is talk writing as a means of reflecting on and exploring a range of perspective on the world. Understand the main points in text on a growing range of unfamiliar general and curricular topics, including some extended texts. Okay, students, let's begin our lesson. Environmental protection. Vocabulary. Environment. Қоршаған орта. Protection. Қорғау. Chemical. Химиялық. Fertilizer. Тыңайтқыш. Pollution. Ластану. Waste. Қалдықтар. Ecological. Экологиялық. Translate the words and say what part of speech they are. To pollute, pollution, environment, ecological, radiation, greatly, protection, natural, science, protect. See what ecological problem our people great content nowadays. You may use the following words. Water pollution. Ugly rapids of dirty water to pollute water with factory waste. Polluted fish. Did rapids to be content about the quality of water. Waste of chemical plants. Land pollution. Did land lifeless areas to turn the land to a desert. Forests are cut and burned in fire. Air pollution. From the chemical, the release of harmful substances into the air to be covered with soot and dirt. Smoke over the city. Had to breathe unhealthy environment. Smoke clouds. Complete the sentence as in the above. To cause, to be caused by. Олай болса студенттер сөйлемді аяқтап, етістіктерді қолдану арқылы сөйлемдерді аяқтап жазайық. First, air pollution. Second, soot and dirt in industrial sites. Third, smoke clouds. Fourth, polluted fish in rivers. Fifth, water pollution. Sixth, cutting of the vast forest. Seventh, a great number of cars. Eighth, noisy pollution. Yes, students, listen the topics and answer the question. Pollution is spoiling the air you breathe. Pollution is hiding like a brown cloud over New York today. Dirt and smoke are falling from cars and the factories. Pollution is spoiling the air we breathe and it's harming our health. New York has a big problem these days. The city has dirty air. The air smells bad and it looks ugly. Pollution is a health problem too because it's hurting people's lungs. This man thinks that pollution is dangerous. He doesn't like the air, so he isn't breathing it. He's smelling a flower and it smells good, but he doesn't know it. He's touching the flower with his mask and the flower feels soft, but he doesn't know it. He listens for birds, but he doesn't hear any. He's looking for beauty, but he doesn't see any. He believes that pollution is coming between us and the beauty of nature. He's trying to show his ideas with the gas mask. He wants people to work together now and to make the air cleaner soon. Yes, students, answer the question. First question, what is hanging like a brown cloud over New York today? Second question, where is the dirt and the smoke coming from? Third question, what is the pollution doing to our air and to our health? Fourth question, what problem does New York have? Fifth, how does the air smell and look? Sixth, why is pollution a health problem? 7. Why is the man wearing a gas mask? 8. Why doesn't he like the air? 9. What does he think about pollution? 10. What is he trying to do? Answer the question, students. Yes, I understand. Yes, students. The earth is our home and you must protect it. The lesson is over. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.